Extech's RH300 Hygro-Thermometer Psychrometer is a compact test instrument designed to measure humidity, wet bulb, dew point, and air temperature. The RH300 is a compact meter ideal for field applications. The triple LCD display simultaneously reports percent relative humidity, air temperature, and dew point wet bulb probe temperature for complete ambient condition reporting at a glance. Using the optional external temperature probe, the RH300 can calculate the T1 minus T2 differential, which is air temperature minus external probe temperature, and the T2 minus dew point differential, which is external probe temp minus dew point, to compare conditions between different spaces. Additional features include built-in twist-to-open protective sensor cap, data hold, auto power off and minimum maximum functions, switchable Fahrenheit Celsius temperature units with a 0.1 degree resolution, and it's complete with batteries, but the external probe is sold separately. To learn more about the RH300 and other Extech products, visit galco.com.